Buying Google Play Credit. Google Play Credit allows you to purchase apps, games, movies, books, and subscriptions from the Google Play Store. It's a convenient way to manage digital purchases without linking a credit card. Below is a step-by-step guide on where and how to buy Google Play Credit safely. 1. Choose where to buy Google Play Credit. Google Play Credit can be purchased through multiple sources, including Google Play Store, buy directly from the Google Play Store under the Payment Methods section. Retail stores, available as physical gift cards at supermarkets, electronics stores, and convenience stores. Online marketplaces. Many e-commerce platforms sell digital Google Play codes for instant delivery. Mobile carriers. Some telecom providers allow you to charge Google Play purchases to your phone bill. 2. Select the right amount. Google Play Credit is available in various denominations, typically $5, $10, $25, $50, $100. Some retailers allow custom amounts depending on the purchase method. 3. Buying from the Google Play Store. To purchase credit directly from Google Play, open the Google Play Store app. Tap on your profile icon, top right corner. Select Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods. Choose Buy Google Play Credit and select the amount. Complete the payment using a linked credit debit card or another available method. 4. Purchasing a physical Google Play gift card. If you prefer a physical card, you can buy one at participating retail stores. Steps to use it. Scratch the back of the card to reveal the redemption code. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon and go to Payments and Subscriptions. Select Redeem Gift Code and enter the code. Once redeemed, the credit will be added to your account balance. 5. Buying a digital Google Play code online. Online retailers offer instant delivery of Google Play codes. Before purchasing, ensure the seller is reputable and verified. Check that the region of the code matches your Google Play account. E.g., US codes won't work on an account registered in another country. Beware of scams or unauthorized sellers offering discounted codes. After purchase, the code is usually sent via email for immediate use. 6. Using mobile carrier billing. Some telecom providers allow you to charge Google Play purchases to your phone bill. To enable this option, open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon and go to Payments and Subscriptions. Select Payment Methods, then add Carrier Billing. Confirm and verify with your mobile provider. This method is useful if you don't want to use a credit card. 7th, redeeming Google Play Credit. To redeem your Google Play Credit, open the Google Play Store. Tap Profile icon, then Payments and Subscriptions, then Redeem Gift Code. Enter the code from your digital or physical card. The credit will be added to your Google Play balance. 8. Checking your Google Play balance. To view your remaining credit, open the Google Play Store. Go to Profile icon, then Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods. Your current Google Play balance will be displayed. 9. Things to keep in mind. Google Play. Credit cannot be transferred or exchanged for cash. Some subscriptions, like YouTube Premium, may not be payable with Play Credit in certain regions. Beware of scams. Only buy from official or trusted sellers. Unused credit does not expire, but Google can deactivate inactive accounts. Google Play Credit is a flexible way to purchase digital content without using a credit card. Whether buying for yourself or as a gift, ensure you purchase from a trusted source and redeem it properly to avoid issues.